ski riding, motorbike gang, 22-inch lift kit, I ain't playing. 100,000 first round, I ain't playing. Bought a dump truck, filled it up, I ain't playing.
Grand Rising, Who Burch's family. Today we're back with another rehabilitation video. We're finna be doing a little beautifying some property. You know how we do it, so make sure y'all stay tuned. We got Mr. Julian back there. He's on take care of some business calls. We got Miss Brandy with us today also. She's going to be, you know, helping us beautify that property today. So make sure y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so now we're just grabbing our lava rock that we're gonna lay at our property, so make sure y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back once we get to the area. Alright guys, so we're back at our property. We're getting ready to get started. So today we're going to be doing some bush trimming, leaf cleanup, lava rock install, and possibly a leaf cleanup because she is our 500 subscriber on our other channel. Make sure y'all check out Big Capital Slime as well. So make sure y'all stay tuned. We finna go ahead and crank up this. Look at this beautiful plant, y'all. I never even seen one of these in real life.
Hello YouTube, back at it. So we're down here in Columbus, Georgia. We just got done with our rough draft of the bush trimming around the whole property. So what we're gonna do now is blow the tops of the bushes off, as well as blow all the debris from underneath the bushes, and we're going to just get ready to prep for the pond straw as well as the lava rock install. So after we blow everything out, we're gonna come back through again and just top the bushes off, trim any loose spots. Ooh, these gnats going crazy, excuse me. And then, you know, just continue to beautify. So we just hit it hard with the bush trimming. Felt like a marathon, so we didn't stop. We just kept pushing all the way around. Took a quick water break, Powerade break. We're about to crank back up. Stay tuned. Let's get it. man. Whenever you get back started, I guess you can start on this side. We just start getting all those dead little leaves off. Right. And then I'm gonna trim back here some, and you can do the same thing over there. Kenny about to start grinding. After he gets done grinding, then we're gonna blow, and you can start.
So as y'all can see, these jobs cost us a lot. $1,200 down the drain. Trying to show y'all this content. So press that like and subscribe button. Support. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we got our fabric. It's being laid. We're gonna go ahead and lay this fabric down first, and then we're gonna go get the lava rock and lay it down on top. The fabric is basically to just keep the weeds from growing up and stick it up in between of our lava rock install. This is the previous rock install, as you can see. It's pretty old, so we're gonna go ahead and renew this area along with this area around the tree. So make sure y'all stay.
It's 159, 360, 374.
Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we definitely have a lot of lava rock to spread, but we're definitely gonna get it spread in due time. We got about an hour and a half left of this job, so we finna go ahead and crank this up super speed.
Time lapse. Let's go, let's go. Update, we're winning. We're going into the fourth quarter. We just had a huddle. We decided we're gonna win. The score is currently tied. We got an hour and 30 minutes till dark. We're probably 70% done with the lava rock. We're gonna put this pine straw down client is doing a walkthrough to see if anything else needs to be done, and we're rocking. Let's get it.
Let's get it. I heard him. Stay tuned.
Alright, it's a wrap. Completed this project. Client is happy. We got here around 2 o'clock. It's 8:15 now. So we was able to get out here with a great team and get this job done. Shout out to the customer, as well as the neighbors, as well as the team. Great job. Another one down in the books.
New drone on the way. Make sure y'all stay tuned. More videos on the way as well. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Click the link in the bio. New music coming, new jobs coming, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to get your equipment, your assets over your liabilities. Just stay tuned. We working. Let's go.